Days Sales Outstanding is another asset management ratio that helps us to assess the performance of receivables management by a company. To calculate the Days Sales Outstanding, we have to use the formula receivables divided by average sales per day. So the receivables can be found from the balance sheet, and the average sales can be found, in fact the sales can be found from the income statement. Then we have to calculate the average sales. To calculate that, let us use the Excel formula starting with equal sign, then receivables from the balance sheet. In the balance sheet we have the receivable in cell B4, now divided by parenthesis start, because we have to calculate the average and then use the average as the denominator. So the sales is found from the income statement, and it should be converted into daily sales, so we have to divide it by the number of days in a year, then parenthesis closed. Now if we press enter, we will get the Days Sales Outstanding for the year 2018. Now if we decrease the decimal, it becomes 27.73, and if we copy the formula for the year 2017, it will automatically calculate the Days Sales Outstanding for the year 2017, as all the amounts in balance sheet and income statements are just side by side, just like what we have calculated here.